Before I started Nikkie B's Natural Essentials, it occurred to me that nearly all of the skincare products I was using contained ingredients I couldn't even pronounce. Propylglycol. What? Glycol? What? Methyl. This is frustrating. I'm over this. Discover a new gentle way to care for your skin with Nikkie B's Natural Essentials Brown Girl Magic Facial Toner and Exfoliating Scrub. Let the natural sugar crystals in Brown Girl Magic serve those dry, dead skin cells an eviction notice and reduce those unsightly blemishes and acne scars with just the right touch of honey included in my proprietary blend. Log on to nikkiesguide.net and order your first jar of Brown Girl Magic Facial Toner and Exfoliating Scrub today. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Honey, there is nothing sexy about dry, flaky skin, which is why I use Brown Girl Magic. Headed out for a night on the town? Girl, Brown Girl Magic easily fits into that overnight bag. Brown Girl Magic Facial Toner and Exfoliating Scrub works to even your complexion, renewing your skin to its natural radiant glow. Brown Girl Magic, it's from my Natural Essentials line. Only available at nikkiesguide.net. I know what you need. Brown Girl Magic Facial Toner and Exfoliating Scrub. It's what your skin craves. Only available at nikkiesguide.net.